This is my first few hours at the cottage. I've unloaded the boat. I've checked things around and nothing is damaged too much. The dock has moved a little bit. And I've had my cup of coffee. I've played with my dog a little bit. And now I need to hook up the water. And that will be my next task. And I'm going to show by this video how I do it, because I think I do it a little differently than most. Okay, there's the cottage, and it's fed by a pipe that's under the ground to this shed. Which is the boat shed, and behind the boat shed is the addition, which contains a pressure pump and all that. Okay, now I'm going to connect this ABS pipe to this. I've got a hose clamp, and you could use a screwdriver, but this is better. And snug it up tight, and while you're at it, the second one would be a good idea. Okay, that's all I'll do for this end. And I guess I'll make sure that this tap up, which feeds into the filters, is open. Alright. Okay, there's the foot valve. And this is the thing that's different. You follow the foot valve up about a foot, and there's a little elbow, and what do we see but a faucet. Now what do we hook it to? Well, this is the other end. We hook it to a submersible pump, and it has to have a hose, something like what's behind a washing machine, with a receptacle at each end. And I'm going to hook it up now. Of course, you have to have power, and I've done that already. Alright, I've got the pump submersed partly in the water, and it's hosed up and it's connected to the faucet. What I'll do is open the faucet and then plug in the pump, and the water will come in. The foot valve will stop the water from coming out this end, and the water will be forced, will snake up and go up to the pump and fill the pump and everything like that. Okay, the pump's going, and the foot valve is keeping the water from coming this way. And now we'll go see what the other end looks like. See, already it's come to the pump, and what I'll do is shut off that, because it's supposed to be shut off, and I think this little drain here should be shut off as well. Good. Alright. Hear it gurgling? That's the tank filling up. Now we just have to wait until there's a good flow coming out this side. And that's pretty good flow. So, what I'll do now is close up this. And turn on the pump. Okay, the pump wants to shut off, but there's one crucial part missing, and that is the foot valve should be in the lake. So that's what I'll do next. Alright, I think you can see the foot valve in the water. I normally put it further in, but just for this sake of this video. Of course, there's the weights, which will keep the hose down later. And I've turned off the tap, and I've also unplugged the submersible pump. So now it's a matter of just waiting until the pump decides to turn off. There. Shut off. It's ready. The way it should look when you turn this on. It should be nice and strong. And the pump should kick in. And then when you turn it off, the pump should cut off. That means that everything's working up to here. And so the next thing to do is to put on the filters and then turn it on again, and that'll direct the water towards the house, hopefully. We should make sure it goes in to the proper thing. And then, then it turns. I don't know why this isn't turning, but we'll get it turning. There we go. Okay, they're both on, and that's ready to go. So let's do it. It's filling up, and now the water's heading for the house.